In this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over this Bohemian battery powered ratchet, basically a Dewalt powered ratchet. So you don't get the battery with this, just so you know. It uses any type of 20 volt Dewalt batteries, which is what I have here. If you're like me and you got a lot of Dewalt tools, but there's a few tools that you want to get that, you know, you don't want to break the bank. You just want to get an affordable tool for basically working on bikes and doing kind of like random things around the house. This is something I recommend. This is super affordable and it uses all your current Dewalt 20 volt batteries. So this is how I got it in here. Well, I got it in a box. Then you get a little set of sockets with it. You get one extension with it. You get a step down to a 1/4 inch, and this is in a 3/8 drive. And just going over the tool itself, you know, you kind of look over it here. Basically, we'll put the, we have a charge on this. Yeah, we got a full charge on this Dewalt battery. Put it on like that. Now right here is a safety switch. You see that switch? So if you mash down, nothing happens. Slide it up. There it goes. You got a right and a left. You can see that. There's left. There's right. Pretty simple, everybody. And then basically any type of socket, it has that ball right there on the side. So any type of random socket will fit on there. Used mostly for changing tires on bikes and things like that. And that's why I wanted something like this. I have drove some lag bolts with this thing. I think we need a socket. Let me grab a couple of sockets and an extension there, and let's take it over to my little bike and see how well it takes the back bolt off or back nut off the tire. So let's do that now. Okay, so I have my e-bike here, so you can see this back nut right there, which I think is an 18. Yep, it's an 18. So that's on, that's off. Let's see how well this thing works. Turn it off. Wow. Well, there you go, everybody. That's all I can show you is how well it works on that. And it goes up to 60 foot-pounds of torque, which I think is pretty fair. Look, we got a little cat coming over to see what's going on. I think he wants, oh, see. That's what it does when it maxes out. I don't want to go too tight on it because I'm worried about stripping it or something like that. I think it's a great option for anyone that just wants an affordable Dewalt style tool, can kind of do it all. So there you go. That's all I got on the Bohemian battery powered ratchet. See you on the next video.